Hi everyone, I'm Brad Feldhouse with the Ram Real Estate Group here at Coldwell Banker, and today we're at 105 Mackie Lane. This is a complete renovation top to bottom in 2021. You have quartz countertops, brand new cabinets, brand new flooring, brand new bathrooms. Absolutely amazing. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath in the heart of Harrison. Let's go check it out. Thank you for coming out and touring this home. Check out this amazing deck and above ground pool. If you guys want more information, please feel free to reach out 513-828-9880. Have a great day.